how to download all Snapchat memories. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our Snapchat. And then once we open that, what we are going to do is to go here on the upper left corner of the screen and then click your profile icon. Once you click on your profile icon, on the upper right corner of the screen, just click the gear icon, which is right here. And then in this part, just scroll down under the apps and privacy, and then click my privacy and data. So click on that. And then in this part, what we are going to do is to click on my data, which is right here. And then after that, once you click my data, you should now be able to download all of your information in Snapchat. So in this part, what we are going to do is to just click export your memories, which is right here. So toggle this on. And then once you do that, just click request only memories. So click on that. And then in this part, if you want to export a data from a specific date range, all you have to do is to enable this. Just choose the date when you want to start the memories from, and then of course the last part of the date, which is right here. So let's say, for example, we would like to get the memories from January 1 to 17. So that is what we're going to choose right there. Or if you want to download all of your memories, just turn this off. And then after that, just put your email right here and then just click submit. Once you do that, your memories is now being exported. So all you have to do is to wait for Snapchat to email you, and then you should now be able to see the memories of your Snapchat. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to download all Snapchat memories.